So, I posted part 2 of the pond build, and I forgot to include Mariah and Vanessa, who helped get that liner in there. Couldn't have done it without them. So here we go. Video edited to include them. Sorry for not including it the first time around. Enjoy.
Got it.
You guys are my hero.
Focus. I don't want to do this again.
Oh. I do
Mariah?
this again because now I'm more prepared. I know how to do it perfectly now.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Alright, part 2. Back to working on the pond. So the styro leaked, so I thought I'd get clever and the plastic box fit perfect. So put some plants in here. But then, of course, not a small leak here. It was building up. So out of annoyance and frustration, I stabbed a hole in it there and underneath. So then he builds up from here again. They can just drip out. Who cares? Remove that from this system here. This is what I did was I just dropped this pump in here that was in here. So I move this one over, put on the pond, throw it over here, and get it rolling. Well, got a couple things done, and it is about time to quit for the night, I think. So I'll just show you real quick. Removed barrel that was there, drop the pump straight in with these guys, so it goes up to here, here, back down. So we just shorted it one barrel, moved it over here, got that set up and over. But of course, I am still not happy. So I will be putting another barrel here and connecting it to that. And then a couple plants to add to here. Thank you, Lauren. And we'll start heating her up and get the polycarbonate top cut. We'll call that part 3. Coming up. Part 3 of the pond build. Check it out.